You have a way that sets me free. It's who you are, who you are.
You picture perfect and you see a masterpiece, masterpiece.
When days get
So hard I
reflect on how you rescue me with one stare.
reminds me
You're everything. Your smile is contagious, iconic, courageous, the most beautiful thing that the world's ever seen. When you look at me, when you look at me, whoa, when you look at me, look at me, whoa. It's like the sweetest melody that sings to me, sings to me.
I feel it taking over me. Your energy, energy.
The moment
I laid eyes,
I craved your kiss so heavenly. Addicted, no wonder you're everything. Your smile is contagious, iconic, courageous, the most beautiful thing that the world's ever seen. When you look at me, when you look at me, whoa, when you look at me, look at me, whoa. Na 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 na. Your smile is contagious, iconic, courageous, the most beautiful thing that the world's ever seen. When you look at me, when you look at me, whoa. When you look at me,
When you look at me, whoa.
when you look at me.
Oh
Thank you
my
so much.
gosh!
Welcome, the fifth
That was
generation.
I know, that was
Generation
amazing.
ba or gen lang?
Gen lang,
Gen.
gen lang.
Ah, gen.
Kasi yung
Sorry.
gen stands for like two words or two meanings.
Okay.
Like generation, tama ka
Gen-
naman,
ah,
generation
okay.
and genre.
Safe.
Yeah,
Ah,
generation
okay.
and genre.
Kaya
Get it.
fifth gen
Yes.
pala. Okay, bakit fifth? Kasi five
Kasi,
kayo.
no, hindi.
Hindi, there's 6, girl.
Hindi, kasi our group was being formed September 5th. Yeah, September
okay.
5th. Kaya 5th siya.
So was it just a coincidence na 5 kayo talaga?
Yes, so paano ganun? Yeah.
Oh.
It's like, yeah, it's like, oo na. Oh, sige, pwede.
Yes. Ayun, napansin ko lang, ang galing ng blending ninyong 5. Talaga.
Thank you.
Paano kayo nagpa-practice niyan? Kailangan sama-sama kayo or merong times na hindi kayo magkakasama?
Most of the time,
Lagi,
sama-sama.
lagi.
Kasi we're group eh. So like, we can harmonize together. Yeah.
Para wala kaming mamiss sa isa't isa na mga voicings and lyrics din. You know?
How did you come together ba?
Okay, because of Europop, it's a singing competition, international singing competition in Berlin, Germany, and our manager Tita Chari Vega chose us
She's
to be
watching
the
right now.
Hello, Tita Chari.
Yeah.
Hi, Chari.
Hello, Tita Chari. She chose us to be the official mentors for the Philippine delegates, and then doon na nabuo yung group kasi the international director Victor asked our manager if
We have
all of us,
if
yeah.
she has a group, she's managing a group daw. So, kaya, kami kasi individuals na, I mean, soloists. Then, pinagsama-sama kami to have a group then, a performing group, syempre. Ito na yung naging 5th gen.
So how did it feel when you all came together? Was it kind of like, oh my gosh, we sound so
Parang
good?
surprising talaga siya.
Yes,
surprising. Kasi parang all of us kasi we want to have a solo career kasi
Yes,
talaga yun yung plano namin. Pero the group, at you know what, it was really unplanned. Yung pagbubuo.
Biglaan.
Oo, biglaan
As in,
lang talaga.
biglaan. Wala
Biglaan
bang
lang
audition
talaga
yung
siya.
5th gen?
Wala.
Wala,
Basta
kasi
nabuo lang
bala
talaga
ko
siya
sana
bigla.
joke lang.